Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can change the frame rate in Adobe Premiere 2019 and also how you can lower the FPS without the slow motion. So what you're gonna do, you need to have a clip, and now you want to write to effect time, and you will have it here: video effect time, posterize time. Take it, grab it, and paste it on your video on your timeline. Okay. And you will now click here the frame rate. Posterize time, in effects controls, frame rate, and you can change it to whatever you want. This is the normal 64. This is the 60. And now we can go even 8.5. And you can really see it's like lagging. In games, this is happening a lot if someone got a really weak computer and is playing a really high consuming game on hardware. The game can have a really low FPS. So this is about it. And this is how you can change the frame rate. So this is it. Thank you very much, everybody. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll really thank for that. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.